Welcome to KW. Today topic is computer basics part. First questions. Vihaan, are you ready?
Okay. Yes.
Which one of these is not a part of computer? Option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. Option C, rubber. Option D, mouse.
Please
I'm repeating again. Which one of these is not a part of computer? Monitor, keyboard, rubber, mouse.
C, rubber.
Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. Second question. A monitor look like a dash. You need to fill the blanks. The first option is screen. The option B is picture. Option C is seat. Option D is television. So which one you think exactly?
Please repeat.
A monitor look like a dash. You need to fill the blanks. The first option is screen. The option B is picture. Option C is seat. Option D is television. So which one you think exactly?
Television. Television.
Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. The next questions. A dash is used to take a printout on a paper. You need to fill the blanks. The options are A, mouse, B, keyboard, C, CPU, D, printer. Which one is the right answer? I'm repeating the option again. A, mouse.
Printer.
Great. This is also right. Vihaan, a big round of applause to the Vihaan. Next question. A dash has 2 or 3 buttons. Question is A dash has 2 or 3 buttons. This is also fill the blanks. The option is A, monitor. Option B is mouse. Option C is CPU. And D is none.
Mouse.
Super, we are given all the answer correct. Okay, the next question is, what is the full form of CPU? Option is Central Processing Unit. Option B is CPU Processing Unit. Option C is Central Process Unit. Option D is Central Process Universal.
Central Processing Unit.
Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. The next question is, you need to give the answer in the form of true or false. A CPU look like a television screen? Yes or no?
False.
Great. Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. Next question. A monitor helps us to listen to the music. Is it correct, true or false? You need to give the answer
false.
True or false. Great. That is also right. You almost exactly very close to the getting the complete score. Let's see the score, Vihaan.
Okay.
Next question. A printer is not used to type letters and words. It is true or false? Is it true? I'm repeating the question. A printer is not used to type letter and words.
True.
Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. What is the full form of VDU? Option A, Visual Display Universal. Option B, Visual Display Unit. Option C, Vision Display Unit. Option D, Visual Digit Unit.
Visual Display Unit.
Correct answer. Very well, Vihaan. Very well. Okay, next, last questions. Which part of computer help us to play games? Monitor, mouse, CPU, joystick. And I'm repeating the options
Joystick.
again. Given all the answer correct. Very well. Thank you. Let's see the score, Vihaan.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.